Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing the dark lake trial. This is a published in Lancet in 1999. Supine body position as a risk factor for a nosocomial pneumonia in a mechanical ventilated patient. This is a randomized trial. My name is Dr. Buddhabhushan Burade. You can follow me on Instagram Meditalk by Dr. Bhushan and YouTube Meditalk by Dr. Bhushan. Please subscribe to my channel.
Disclaimer: the content and information on this video is for education purpose only and is not intended to be recommendation of any kind of some whatever. Under any circumstances, the author accept no liable for any indirect, incidental, consequential, exemplary damages arises. This video may contain copyright material, the use of which may not have been specifically authorized by copyright owner. This video is available in an effort to advance understanding of educational content.
Clinical question: in a patient who are mechanical ventilated, does the semi-recumbent position versus supine position reduce the clinical suspected pneumonia? Designed for this study, this is a randomized control trial, computer generated list, consecutive patients, sample size calculation, 182 patients required to show a 20% absolute risk reduction with a projected frequency in a supine group of a 40% with a false negative rate 20%, false positive rate of 5%. Plan interim analysis completed after the 50% recruitment. This demonstrated significant difference and trial was stopped early. Modified intention to treat analysis, non-blinded, unvariated or multivariated analysis completed. Setting for this study, the respiratory ICU and medical ICU in tertiary universities hospital in Spain. Duration for this study is June 1997 to May 1998. Population for this study, the inclusion criteria not stated. Exclusion criteria: abdominal or neurosurgical intervention within 7 days, shock refractory to the vasoactive drugs or volume therapy, previous endotracheal intubation within 30 days, 90 patient randomized, 47 patient randomized to control group, all completed included in a trial. 43 patient randomized to intervention group, 4 patient excluded, 1 died during the resuscitation, 3 excluded due to the protocol violation or reintubation. Comparing intervention versus control group, mean age 67 versus 63, cause of acute respiratory failure COPD 34 versus 33, other pulmonary disease 26 versus 21, mean Apache score 23 versus 21, duration of mechanical ventilation 171 versus 145, use of large nasogastric tube 87 versus 72, enteral nutrition 60 to 56. Intervention for this group: semi-recumbent position, 45-degree propped up the patient or bed. Control supine body position, 0-degree angle of a patient bed. All patients routinely subject to the sterile endotracheal suction. No change in mechanical ventilation tubing system. Stress ulcer prophylaxis with a surfactant in patient with a tolerate enteral nutrition, or IV ranitidine or omeprazole in patient with receiving the TPN. Enteral nutrition starting rate at a 33.3 ml per hour. Gastric aspiration performed every 4 hours. Target feed 30 to 35 kilocalorie per kg per day. Study completed when any of the following criteria met: first winning trial, extubation, permanent change in body position more than 45 minutes, and death. Outcome: the primary outcome, frequency of clinical suspected pneumonia defined as a new persistent influence on chest X-ray, most likely to be the infection plus at least 2 of the temperature more than 33 8.3, a WBC count more than 4 or more than 12 or less than 4, purulent tracheal secretions significant lower in any semi-recumbent versus supine, 8 versus 34, the difference is 10 to 42. Secondary outcome, microbiological confirmed pneumonia defined in a patient with clinical suspected pneumonia with a bacterial growth about defined threshold or pathogenic microorganism in bronchial aspiration, bronchial lavage or protected specimen brush. Significantly lower in semi-recumbent versus supine, 5 versus 23. Incidence rate of microbiological confirmed pneumonia 7.31 divided by 100 ventilated days the semi-recoupment versus 28.4 divided by 1000 ventilated days in supine. Incidence of clinical suspected pneumonia 10.9 versus 41. ICU mortality no significant difference 18 versus 28. Univariate logistic regression analysis demonstrate that the enteral nutrition or supine body position were significantly associated with the clinical suspected microbiological confirmed pneumonia. This is a tabular form of this outcome of this study. Clinical suspected pneumonia, semi-recoupment position 8%, supine 34, microbiological confirmed 5%, 23. Incidence of clinical suspected pneumonia 10.9 versus 41. Incidence of microbiological confirmed pneumonia per 1000 per day 7.3, 28. ICU mortality 18 and 22. Strength for this ICU randomized control trial, clear definition from primary to secondary outcomes, terminated early with a low number of patients with included, outcome assessed not blinded, inclusion criteria not clear by defined and single hospital study. Author conclusion: the mechanical ventilated patient with nosocomial pneumonia is reduced with the use of semi-recoupment position of a bed with a 45 degrees. The small randomized trial has number of weaknesses but still provides convincing evidence that the risk of clinical suspected and microbiological confirmed pneumonia is reduced in mechanical ventilated patients who are semi-recoupment versus supine. Thank you. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel.